Hi, welcome to OnceHub videos. I am Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, you will learn how to sign up for a free OnceHub account. When you sign up, you instantly start a 14-day trial, giving you access to nearly all platform features, so you can thoroughly check if OnceHub is the right fit for your organization. You will experience the same advanced capabilities as the Engage plan and can explore how OnceHub streamlines your scheduling and engagement workflows. This style gives you access to almost all features like scheduling, reminders, multi-location meetings, calendar integrations, and even 25 free SMS credits to test notifications. The only limitation is that advanced security and compliance features such as SSO or corporate email sending are available only on paid plans. Getting started is simple, as you can create your own account or join your organization account, as your account admin will create an account for you and send you an email invitation link to join. To complete the sign up process, go to the oneshub.com and click sign up for free. Select your sign up method such as Google, Microsoft or email. Please ensure to enter valid email here. Fill in your details and create a secure password for your account and hit sign up. So account creation is in process. Next, follow on-screen instructions. And that's it. You are signed in now. As soon as you are signed in, you will immediately have access to booking calendars, booking hubs, routing forms, chatbots, and various account level integrations. Here you can add APIs, webhooks, and CRM based integrations. As your trial ends, you will be prompted to upgrade to a paid plan or downgrade to the free basic plan. We will be covering upgrade and downgrade steps in another video. To downgrade, you will get a pop-up window after your trial ends. You will need to click See All options, select the basic plan and confirm downgrade. You can upgrade anytime during or after trial by selecting Purchase Now, and you can select your preferred plan. Please note, once you upgrade to a paid plan, you can't switch back to the free plan. If you need more time with the trial, contact the OnceHub sales team for options. In case if you take no actions after your trials end, your account will be paused, but your data is kept for 30 days, so you can choose a plan or downgrade later. If you delete your account, your data is retained for a short period, then deleted after 30 days. And that's it. You are ready to explore all OneSub features, test integration, and see how it can streamline your scheduling and engagements. For more details or support, visit our help center and reach out to the contact support anytime. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.